Welcome to another video of beginner series. In this video, we will try to explore some Power Query options, and those options are add prefix and add suffix. So let's start. Let's go to transform data, which is available under the home tab. And once you reach there, you can see what all tables you have loaded. I have few tables which I have already loaded. Now here I have a text column, and in this text column I will try to use operations of adding prefix and suffix. And if I go into the transform tab in Power Query, then I have this format, and under format I have add prefix and add suffix. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me duplicate this column. So I right click on this, so right click, and fourth option, duplicate column. I duplicated it, and then I go here in the format under the transform tab, and I say let me add prefix. So let me add a prefix, let's say 1 2 3. I'm not giving a space at this time. See, there without a space it has added. Okay, so now let me go ahead and do one thing. Like I added this 1 2 3 here. I can see the code here. So what it is saying, transform columns, and duplicate column was the name which we have got in the last step. For text hyphen copy is the column name. Each 1 2 3 text type, this operation is happening. So let me do one thing. Let me give a space out here. So I'm changing it manually now, and let's see what happens. Okay, so the space is coming before, so I'm going to give a space after. Okay, so I got a space after. Okay, so now we wanted to have a space between these two, so I did it. Or when I have actually done this prefix, I could have given a space. So what we'll do is, let's try the other operation, the suffix. And then this time what we'll do is, in the add suffix, first we will give space, and then we'll give, let's say, 4 5 6. Okay, and let's try out. So now you can see in the same column, now we have added a suffix, and this time I've given a space first. So the space has come after that, the other characters have come. So this is add prefix and add suffix operations which you can try out.